Hello students, welcome to English literature class. Last class I had taught you the Portia speech. I hope you have understood, it's clear. So let's continue with the lines 25. What is Bassanio's reaction? When Portia says that, I just simply stretching the time so that I can make you wait from making the choice of cascades. To this Bassanio says, let me choose. For as I am, I live upon the rack. He is very excited, so he says, allow me to choose as I am, because I live upon the rack. It is a metaphor. Comparison is rack is a instrument to torture the prisoners. Okay, so it is been stretched. So when it's stretched, it gives the pain to the prisoners, and out of pain they confess the truth. So how he is living upon the rack? So rack is compared to the Portia's stretching of time. It is a stretching instrument. Similarly, the time which she wastes or stretches, that is compared to rack. So that means I am feeling pain, troubled. When you pass the time, stretch the time, I feel like living upon the rack. So here Portia wants to tease Bassanio. It's just to reduce the tension over here. She plays a prank on him. As Bassanio literary means that as Portia stretches the time, he feels pain. But Portia takes it in the literary meaning, the real meaning. The real meaning is as the prisoners are been tortured by the rack. So she becomes here, she tells that upon the rack, Bassanio, then confess what treason there is mingled with your love. Treason, treachery. Okay, betrayal. Mingled, mixed with your love. So, if you say that you live upon the rack, like the criminals, you confess that whether your love is true or mixed with any treachery. Whether your love is true or disloyal, unfaithful, that you confess. Just like prisoners are tortured to confess the truth, similarly, she tells that then Bassanio, now if you are tortured by this rack, then tell me that whether your love for me is true or unfaithful. Then Bassanio replies, none but that ugly treason of mistrust. He says that my love there is no disloyalty in my love. There is only the ugly face of fear of doubt. What is the doubt that makes me fear the enjoying of my love? The doubt is that whether he can win Portia or not. That is the doubt only that makes him fear in enjoying his love. Otherwise, he says, my love is not unfaithful. There may as well be unity and life between snow and fire as treason and my love. Simile here, as treason. So he says amity means friendship. So he says, giving an example, he says that as there cannot be friendship between snow and fire, similarly there cannot be friendship between my true love and untrue or unfaithful love. So this is the clear evidence he gives that his love is true. Then Portia still continues playing with him, teasing him, saying, yes, but I fear you speak upon the rack. Just like prisoners, there are some prisoners who are guilty as well as innocent also. So out of fear, someone used to confess that to get relief, they confess that the truth, accept the truth. Similarly, Portia says that I fear that you have confessed that your love is true because you have been tortured in the rack, where men enforced do speak anything. He says that I fear you are speaking under pressure of torture, where men are forced to confess anything. When men are forced torture, they speak anything, whether they have done or not, to get the relief. They speak the truth. So here she says that I fear you are speaking under pressure of torture, where men are forced to confess anything. Then Bassanio says, promise me life and I will confess the truth. So if you promise, Portia, if you promise me that if I confess you will spare my life, then I will confess. Like prisoners also say, no, you promise to the jailer, promise me that you will spare my life, you will free me, give me freedom, then I will tell you the truth. Similarly, Bassanio, like a prisoner also says, Portia, you promise me life, that you will spare my life, then if you do so, I will confess the truth. Then Portia says, well then, confess and live. Well then, confess the truth and I will and go and live. So Bassanio answers, confess and love had been the very sum of my confession. He says, I confess that my love is true. Confess and love, the phrase means I confess that my love is true. This is the very gist of my confession, the summary of my confession. Then, O happy torment, when my torturer doth teach me answers for deliverance. O happy torment, he says that I feel pleasure due to this torture. Torture always is painful, but here he says this torture, my torture gives me pleasure. Why? When my torturer, who is the torturer? Portia, doth teach me answers for deliverance. So he says to free him. He says, I get pleasure from my torture because my torturer will teach me how to escape from this prison, or will teach me the answers to get freedom. He thinks that Portia will teach him how to choose the right casket. That's why he says, that's why my torturer, the torture of my torturer gives me pleasure. But let me to my fortune and the caskets. Again he pleads that allow me to go to my fortune by making the choice of the caskets. So at the time, curtain drawn from before the caskets. The curtains are removed to a side so that he will make an analysis of the caskets and choose the casket of his fortune. So just read this. We'll come next again. We'll start from the 42 lines. We'll start it from Portia's speech. Thank you.